As you can see, we're packing everything up. The place is a mess. Boxes everywhere. Everything's torn apart. As our office is totally torn apart. Shoes, socks, books, more boxes. Everything's gotta go, including us. It's a huge mess. But we did have a good garage sale. See, here's all of our stuff we were selling. See how professional it looks? We could do garage sales professionally. What are you smiling about?
We're almost out of here.
That's right. Just everything. Trash. Here's the kitchen. It's just a mess. And there's the biggest mess of it all. Skitty. Skitty. That's Skittles. We call her Skitty for short. And she's just grown like 10 inches from the last time we videotaped her a couple days ago. Because she eats like a pig. Say hi to the camera. Look in the camera, you little monkey. Hi, Skitty. Let's take a ride.
Okay.
It's a little hazy out, but we're going to take a ride on the motorcycle, probably to Sonic or something, to get a snack. Anyway, this is my motorcycle, and I've done a lot of stuff to it. Like all this stuff, these extra lights, mud flaps on the bottom, the crash bar, all the air stuff so it breathes better, the pipes, the seat, a bunch of other little stuff like these grips and everything. But we're going to videotape while we take a spin on the bike, and you guys can ride along. Yeah, we're going to take off. This is Scenic Drive. And we're on the motorcycle on Scenic Drive. Just cruising up the mountain. You can see it's a bunch of windy, twisty turns. Windy. But we're going to drive up to the top. While I'm driving up the mountain, she's holding on for dear life. But we're not really going all that fast. It's just fine. It's very bumpy. We're almost to the top. top of this mountain. The windier it gets, the dustier it gets. You can't see it, but usually Juarez is over there. We're getting blown all over the place. So we're going to head back down to the mountain. We ended up at the Scenic. We're gonna have some of this stuff. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So what do you think about leaving El Paso?
Ready to leave El Paso.
You're ready? How come? You'd rather have water than dust?
Yes.
It is dusty today. While we're on this thing, we got to keep our mouths closed.